Would you like to have a vegetable garden, but feel like it just takes way too long? Well, the reality and amazing thing is that having your own vegetable garden is not a matter of eternity because you can harvest these 10 vegetables in 30 days or less and have some great fresh and nourishing food options to choose from. Welcome to your YouTube channel. Always remember, you are the original of yourself. There is no duplicate of you anywhere in the world. Please subscribe to your channel and mine, ITTV, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can receive notifications for upcoming videos. Let's get started. Number 1, arugula. Arugula is a wonderful little green vegetable that can be harvested within 30 days. All you need to do is plant it, give it about 30 days to produce mature leaves, and then cut them when you're ready to enjoy. Then they'll continue to grow back each year for your enjoyment. Like all leaves, arugula is a load full of minerals needed by your body for strong bones. If you are worried about your skin and you desire more glowing and healthy skin, then befriend arugula, and you will be glad you did. You will become so healthy and confident that you wake up each day ready to take on the challenges that are out there in the world. Number 2, cress. Cress is another vegetable that can be harvested within 30 days. As a matter of fact, this vegetable will be on your table in only 15 days. Garden cress can be cultivated in the pots. It is also a valuable source of vitamins K, C, A, and minerals such as magnesium and potassium. It will grow to about 6 inches tall, and you can cut the leaves as you need and enjoy the mustard-like warmth in the salads and garnishes. The tenderness in its taste will make you want to eat it more and more. Number 3, baby carrots. Baby carrots taste delicious, are a great snack, are great to cook with, and doesn't take as long as full-sized carrots because they don't have to grow to be as large. So if you enjoy carrots and want them quickly, then you'll definitely want to pick the baby carrot variety. Baby carrots can be harvested within 30 days of sowing. Carrots are a good source of beta-carotene, a vegetable that is sight-friendly because it adds to the brightness of your eyes. No wonder it is also very attractive and catchy to the eyes. It is rich in vitamin K, and its crunchy taste is second to none. If you are working on losing weight, then befriend carrots. It is also helpful in lowering blood cholesterol, which in turn reduces the risk of heart attack. Number 4, kale. Kale is another vegetable that can be harvested within 30 days. For the best flavor, kale must be harvested after the first frost. Researchers suggest that regularly eating kale helps lower the risk of certain cancers. Also, its cultivation was encouraged in World War II because it provided vital nutrients and was available to supplement rationing. It grows quickly, and it is loaded with antioxidants and a good source of vitamin C. It lowers cholesterol, and this can reduce the risk of heart attack. Number 5, radishes. Radishes are probably one of the fastest plants you can harvest in 30 days. They are also super simple to grow and are usually harvested before they flower. Radishes can be harvested in 22 to 30 days. All you need is to sow these seeds in quality soil. They are in the family of carrot and the chalk, which comes in red and cream colors, and are packed full of vitamins A, C, E, B6, potassium, and other minerals. Dedication to its eating guarantees getting the best results from it. Whichever color of radishes you choose, trust that you will get the same amount of vitamins and minerals, but I personally prefer the red. Maybe that has to do with the brightness. Number 6, green onions. Friend of the heart, green onions are another really versatile plant. So if you want something green, fresh, and packed with onion flavor, then know that you can have all of that in 30 days or less. Green onions can be harvested in 20 to 30 days from planting. It contains antioxidants and substances that fight inflammation. It is very good for the heart as it reduces cholesterol, which is a sure way of limiting heart-related diseases. It helps in removing blood clot and reduces blood pressure. You can never have an overdose of it. The more you eat it, the better. Number 7, soy greens. Looking to add a new, flavorful, nutrient powerhouse vegetable to your food? Let me introduce you to soy. Soy harvests in just 3 weeks. It is full of nutrients and contains high levels of vitamin C, potassium, and calcium. Soy greens have the odd habit of growing flat in cold weather, but more upright in heat. Once cooked, it develops a warm earthiness similar to spinach. It has the ability to keep your bones and teeth strong because it is high in vitamin D and calcium. It has the property of helping in the transmitting of messages in the nervous system, heart rhythm, and reduces incident of blood clotting. Number 8, spinach. Spinach is another fast-growing leafy green. After 4 to 5 days, seeds start to germinate, and in 25 to 30 days, spinach will be ready to harvest. But you can cut and use spinach before they get mature. Use potting mix in the pot to grow spinach in pots and containers. You should pick spinach regularly because the leaves will become bitter once the plant has reached maturity. It is beneficial to the eye, rich in vitamins A, C, K, iron, magnesium, and other numerous benefits, among which are control of stress and reduction of blood pressure. Spinach is a blood booster. Some cultures extract the juice and drink, believing that it helps the red blood cells. Number 9, mushrooms. You can grow smaller mushrooms in a day or 2, but if you want to grow bigger mushrooms, it can take up to 6 days, which is pretty crazy too. Grow mushrooms in a slightly bigger container and add an extra flavor to all of your favorite dishes in no time. Mushrooms come in different shapes and sizes, but one thing is common with all of them. They all contain a special antioxidant called selenium, and this helps powerfully to support the immune system and prevent damage to cells and tissues. You can make mushroom as a soup or serve as a dessert. Number 10, Asian greens. Asian greens are a very important vegetable that can also be harvested in 30 days. They have a variety of flavors and textures. Asian greens grow well in pots, troughs, and trays too. Easy and quick to grow, they should be in every yard. That's it for today's video. I will be here every day of the week to give you information on growing your own veggies. Please subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know when I upload. Also, click the like button and give a thumbs up. And don't forget, you are the original of yourself. There is no duplicate of you anywhere in the world.